Hello everybody, it's Mick from JesterBushcraft and welcome to another vlog episode. You find me in the Lake District, sat by Coniston Water. It's absolutely, I'm just looking out over the lake, the sun's just setting. Let's give you a bit of a look. That's not a bad view, is it? But I just thought I'd take this opportunity to do another episode. In this episode I want to talk about the direction of the JesterBushcraft channel, and the direction it's been going for quite some time now, but I thought it was time I actually explained what's going on. Back in 2011 I started the YouTube channel with one really bad video in the woods trying to start a fire with a fire steel. It was really poor quality, rubbish camera, but I just wanted to get out in the woods, and at the time I wanted to learn about bushcraft, and for quite a lot of time that's what I did. I did lots of videos. People started commenting on them. You'll have to excuse me if I'm squinting. The sun is just setting over the hills and it's really reflected on the lake. Yeah, people started commenting on the videos, and I thought, oh, people are actually interested in what I'm doing here. So I did more videos, and over time I did more and more videos, got more and more comments, and I was just really enjoying it. I was learning all about bushcraft, learning different skills, and over the years I learned a lot of new stuff, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I met some great people, and it was a great time. I really enjoyed it. But as time goes by, your life changes. I had kids, young kids at the time. They were growing up. I had things going on in my own family life. Not the best of things, but these things happen. And you end up doing different stuff. You get new interests. You get new things you want to try out. And I've always been like that throughout my life. I've always tried different things. I've done kayaking, windsurfing, rock climbing, hill walking, camping. I've just done all sorts of outdoor activities. So over time the bushcraft sort of dwindled off a bit, but when I went out doing my outdoor activities, I found I was using those skills anyway, but I just wasn't doing videos on them. I used to do reviews on kit, tutorials, but I've done so many of them. I've moved on to other things now. I've been doing kayaking, which you've seen, camping in the lakes, using the kayak to go out to different places, and I've just since purchased a paddleboard. Which is something I've been trying out today, and I'm doing that now. Snorkeling's another thing. Snorkeling's another interest I've got into. I really enjoy doing that. I love it, even though it's really cold. I've loved going out, finding stuff, finding little bits of treasure. Today I went out and I found some old coins. I found some musket balls, some fishing tackle, and I even found a little sort of silver charm bracelet. It's not a very good one, but still found it using my little underwater metal detector. So yeah, the direction of the channel is I'm doing what I enjoy doing at the time, and I will document it. Camper van, this is another thing, modifying this Citroen Berlingo into a little camper van. That's what I'm sat in now, and I'm enjoying it. I'm sat out by the lake, looking out, peace and quiet. Got my coffee, just on my own. I'm really enjoying it, and I will always document these things and put them on YouTube for people to watch. I'm very lucky that I've got up to about 10,700 subscribers now. I've got a great following. People put really nice comments on, get a lot of good feedback, you get the odd person saying stuff that you think but yeah, so the channel, although it's called JesterBushcraft, this is how it all started. This hat, about 25 years ago I bought this hat in Keswick in the Lake District with my sister. I've always had it, and because I was doing a bit of juggling and unicycling, that's where the Jester side came from, and I was learning about bushcraft, so the channel became JesterBushcraft. Now it's more outdoor activities, not just the bushcraft, but people know me as JesterBushcraft now, so I'm going to stick with it. That sun is really bright now, I need my sunglasses. So I just wanted to let you know where the channel was going. I want to thank everybody for all the support they've given me over the years. It's nearly 8 years now. I really appreciate it, and I will continue to do it because I enjoy doing it and I enjoy doing the videos. I've got new equipment, I've got new gadgets, I've got a new stabilizer gimbal, I've got GoPros, I've got all sorts of new equipment that I'm trying out, trying to improve the channel, trying to improve the quality of the video. I've got a little mic here which you can't actually see. It's there, look. I've got a new mic, so hopefully we can improve on the sound, and that's the way the channel's going. So yeah, just thought I'd let you know how things are going. That's the way it's going, that's the direction we're going in. Full steam ahead. More videos, more vlogging, which is something new to me. Vlogging's very new. This is only my 3rd episode, I think, but I think it's good to be able to document what you're doing, and it sort of G's you up to do more videos, because I'll be saying, oh, I fancy doing this. Well, do as a video then. Okay, I will. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that, please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below, and if you want to keep up to date with all the latest videos, then make sure you click on that bell icon. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.